Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Are you happy? Happy? Yes, very good. So, everybody, let's say, I am happy. How are you today? How are you today? I am happy. Very good, everybody. Welcome back to Teacher ChaCha class again today. And before we start, show me your hands, show me your hands. Put them together, put them together, put them on your chest, put them on your chest, and then say, Good morning, teacher. Shasha, very good, everybody. Good morning, good morning. And today are going to learn about big and small. But this time you have to compare them. Okay, 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 okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for today, everybody? Are you ready? Oh, yes, are you ready? Oh, yes, are you ready? Oh, yes, very good, everybody. So, if are you ready, let's go get started now. Look at the ball. How many balls are there? How many balls are there? Are there two balls? Are there three balls? Yes or no? Yes, very good. There are three balls. There are three balls. So, look at balls number one. Look at bowl number one, everybody. This one is bowl number one. Look at this. This one is big, right? This one is big. What about number two? Number two is a little bit small, right? We have big and become smaller. Big and smaller. What about the last one, number three? Number three is really very small. Everybody, this one very very small. So the big number one we say biggest. Let's say together. Everybody repeats after teacher Shasha. The biggest. One more time, everybody. The biggest. Very good job. The biggest. And the smallest one, the small, the very, very small. In here, we say the smallest. Good job. One more time, the smallest. Good job, the smallest. So it is at the same. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. The tree number one here is very, very big. Very, very big. So the tree number two, it's a little bit smaller, right? The tree number two is a little bit smaller. What about number three here? Number three is smallest. Aha, everybody, let's say together, biggest. One more time, biggest. Good job, biggest. What about this one? Smallest. Smallest. Very good, smallest. Look at the dinosaur. Look at the dinosaur. The blue dinosaur here is very, very big. So we say biggest. I cannot hear. One more time. Biggest. Good job. Biggest. And the little one here, what is it? Smallest. Together, smallest. Very good. Okay, everybody, let's do together. Biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest. One more time together. Biggest. And then smallest. Very good. Oh, I see someone still don't follow teacher. Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up. Shake down. One more time. Everybody hands up. And now shake down. Very good, everybody. So this time let's do together. Biggest, biggest, smallest, smallest. Good job. Biggest and then smallest. One more time. Biggest and then smallest. Very good, everybody. Clap your hand for yourself. Very, very good. Next one. This time, everybody look at this animal. We have penguin. Hooray! What about this one? Who can remember what is it? What is it? I heard someone say frog. Very good. This one is the frog. And the last one is ant. Very good. Ant. Look at the penguin. Penguin is the biggest, right? Penguin in here is the biggest. What about the smallest? What is it? Is the frog smallest? Is the frog smallest? No. What about the ant? What about the ant? Is the ant smallest? Yes or no? Is the ant smallest? Yes or no? Yes, very good. The ant is smallest. Very good job, everybody. What size of the penguin? Everybody, what size is the penguin? What size is the penguin? Is the penguin smallest or biggest? I heard someone say biggest. Very good. Everybody, let's say together. This penguin is the biggest. Okay, teacher going to say it slower. Okay, teacher going to say it slower. So you have to follow teacher. You have to repeat after teacher. Okay, 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 okay. Very good, everybody. Let's say together the penguin. Everybody, let's say together this penguin. This penguin is the biggest. Good job. One more time, everybody. This penguin is the biggest. See, you can say it. Very good, everybody. What about the ant? What about the ant, everybody? What size is the ant? What size is the ant? Look at the ant. Is the ant the biggest? Yes or no? Is the ant biggest? Yes or no? No, this ant is not the biggest. But what is it? This ant is the smallest. This ant is the smallest. Very good, everybody. Let's say together. This ant is smallest. This ant is the smallest. Oh, teacher cannot hear. Can you please repeat after teacher ChaCha? This ant is the smallest. Okay, good try. Very good job, everybody. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody, what about this one? Everybody, what about this one? Look at this one. This one is the shark. Everybody, let's say shark. Good job, shark. And this one is an octopus, right? Octopus. And the last one is the crab. So, what size is the shark? What size is the shark? Is the shark smallest or biggest? I heard someone say biggest. Very good, everybody. Let's say this shark is the biggest. One more time. Repeat after teacher ChaCha. This shark is the biggest. Good job. This shark is the biggest. Very good job, everybody. Very, very good job. So, what about this one? Okay, what about the crab, everybody? What size is the crab? What size is the crab? Is the crab biggest? No, because the shark is biggest already. What about the crab? What about the crab? The crab is smallest. Very good. Let's say together smallest. Okay, smallest. So let's say in a long sentence, this crab is the smallest. Good job. This crab is the smallest. Very, very good job. What about this one? Look at the hamburger. Look at the hamburger. This hamburger is very big. This hamburger is very big. What about the pizza? The pizza is a little bit smaller than a bigger. What about the chocolate? What about the chocolate, everybody? This chocolate is the smallest. Is it yes? Yes, very good. So, which side is the hamburger? Which side is the hamburger? Let's say this hamburger is the biggest. Good job. Good job. Look at the chocolate. Teacher told you already. The chocolate is the smallest. So, what size is the chocolate? What size of the chocolate? This chocolate is the smallest. Okay, repeat after me. This chocolate is the smallest. Very good. This chocolate is the smallest. Very good job. Oh, this time let's play games together. Let's play games together, everybody. Teacher going to ask you, which panda is smallest? Which panda is the smallest? Honey, look at panda number one. Look at panda number one, and panda number two, and panda number three. Everybody, which panda, one, two, or three, is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? I heard someone say number three. Is it number three correct? Is this number three correct? Very good. This panda, the panda number three, is the smallest. Panda number three is smallest. Good job. Very good job. Everybody, let's try to say together the panda number three is the smallest. Good job. What about this one, everybody? Look at the apple. Look at the apple. Wow, there are three apples. Apple number one, apple number two, and apple number three. So, if teacher asks which apple is the biggest? Which apple is the biggest? Is the apple number one bigger? Yes or no? Yes or no? I don't think so. What about number two? Is the number two bigger? It is bigger. But is this one biggest? Maybe number two is biggest. What about number three? Number three is very, very small. So, which apple is the biggest? Who think number one? Hands up. Who think number two? Hands up. Who think number three? Hands up. Ha ha. Very good, everybody. So, the apple number two is the biggest. Very, very good. Everybody, let's say together the apple number two is the biggest. Very good job, everybody. Very, very good job. Next one. Okay, everybody. This time I need your help to help teacher write down the number. Okay, we going to write down number one to the smallest and number three to the biggest. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Are you ready? Yes, very good. So, everybody, which one is number one? Which crab? Which crab going to be number one crab? It has to be the smallest, right? Is this one the smallest? Mm-mm. Is this one the smallest? Mm-mm. What about this one? Is this one the smallest? Very good. So we write down number one, this to the smallest. Ping pong. Hooray! Number one. Next one. What about number two? Which crab going to be the number two crab? This one, yes. Very good. I heard someone say it. Very good. Number two. And the biggest one have to be number three. Very good. And the last one is number three. Ping pong. Hooray. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. What about the next one? Look at the bee. Everybody look at this bee. Oh, is the number correct? No, no. We're going to delete it. Delete it and delete it. So this time, help teacher write down which bee should be number one. Number one have to be the smallest. Number one has to be the smallest. Which one is the smallest? Is this one smallest? Number one here? No, 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 no. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Which one is number one? Very good. Thanks for helping, everybody. Thanks for helping. So we write down number one. And which one is number two? Which one is number two? Can be this one number two? Yes or no? No. This one going to be number two. We write down number two. Wow. And the last one should be the biggest one. Very good. Everybody, let's say together the biggest. Good job. If teacher asks which bee is the smallest, which bee is the smallest? Number one. Good job. Number one is smallest. And number three is biggest. Biggest. Very good. Biggest. Oh, bye bye, bee. Okay. So, what about the dog? What about the dog? There are 3 dogs in here. There are 3 dogs in here. We're going to find the dog number 1. Number 1 has to be smallest. Which one is the smallest? I heard someone say this one, yes? Very good, everybody. Write down number 1 quickly. Very good. What about number 2? Yes, very good. Number 2 is over there. I see someone point the fingers like this. Very good. Number 2 is here. So we write down number 2. And the last one, number 3 going to be the biggest. So which one is the biggest? This one, number 3 is the biggest. Hooray! Very good. Everybody clap your hand for yourself. Good job. Good job. Once again, everybody, number 1 is the smallest. Okay, sorry. Everybody, can you repeat after teacher ChaCha before we move to another page? Can you repeat after teacher ChaCha? Number 1 is the smallest. Good job. And number 3 is the biggest. Everybody, let's say together. Number 3 is the biggest. Good job. Number 3 is the biggest. Very, very good job, everybody. Very good job for today. So, next one. Uh-oh. Time for exercise now. So, can you grab your book? Can you grab your book? This book, okay? Today, the blue book, the purple book, this one. And now, open to the page number 48. Open the book to page number 48. Okay, 48. 4 and 8. So we're going to do together. We are teacher going to show you one example, only one example, and the rest you have to do by yourself. Okay, this one they said circle the items that are the biggest. Which one is the biggest? We have to circle. Everybody, let's say together, circle. Good job. One more time. Circle. Very good job. Circle. Which one is the biggest? Is this one the biggest? No. We have to find the biggest. So the biggest is this airplane. Hooray. We circle. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, very good, everybody. And now, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You have to do by yourself, okay? We are going to move to the page number 49. And number 49, this one. This one, you have to write down the number 1, number 2, and number 3. Uh-oh. How can we write down the number? The smallest, you have to write down number 1. The smallest, you have to write down number 1. And the biggest, you have to write down number 3. And the biggest, you have to write down number 3. For example, look at the ice cream. Look at the ice cream. The ice cream, which one going to be number 1? Number 1 has to be the smallest. Which one is the smallest? This one is the smallest. Very good job, everybody. So we write down number 1 in here. What about number 2? This one? Yes, very good. Write down number 2. And number 3 is the biggest. The biggest is in the middle. So we write down number 3 like this. Okay. Okay. Very good, everybody. And again, number two, number three, number four, and number five, you have to do by yourself. Okay, okay? Good job, everybody. Oh, time it's up already. We are going to say goodbye now. So, bye bye. See you again. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. See you again. Hope to see you soon. One more time. Bye bye. See you again. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. See you again. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. And see you again next time. Everybody, don't forget to do the exercise. Bye bye.